nobody else's. I want you all of me, and I just can't help it. But baby, it's yours, it's yours, it's yours. Baby, it's yours, it's yours, it's yours. Baby, it's yours, nobody else's. I want you all of me, and I just can't help it. But baby, it's yours, it's yours.
this is basically the wig. This is how I quickly install my blonde lace wigs using just the Gatsby Blast and Freeze spray. Absolutely no glue is needed, and my wig is sitting right now on my head. So this installing method is really so simple and easy, and also does not require a lot of work, and yet it is so non-messy. So whenever I install my hair with the Gatsby Blast and Freeze spray, all you need to remove your wig is some water. You spray the water around the perimeter of your hair wherever the lace is being held down, and it comes right up. Does not leave your edges with a lot of mess to clean up. So it's really easy, and I'm just gonna read you guys the details on this hair itself. So this hair is from Yoowigs. This is their Royal Dream Lace wig. This is their ash blonde short bob wig. Now the hair does come pre-plucked. It does come with the knots bleached. This itself that they use to make their lace wigs are the bomb.com. Like, it's so soft, it's so easy to blend right in with your skin. This wig specifically does have the invisible knots, so you don't really see the little tiny knots whenever you're wearing your lace. So it does look like it's just growing out of my scalp because there's no, like, the knots are invisible on it. So far I'm really liking this wig. The hair is really soft and nice. I'm not too sure what length exactly this is, and so far I have not received any shedding with it, so I'm really loving it. I also love how they pre-cutted this bob for you, so it's a really nice cute wig for the summertime. I'm not too sure the pricing on this wig, but I know that their wigs are never like that expensive, so you're not gonna be breaking the bank to purchase a wig like this. Definitely not. That being said, for the entire month of July you do get a surprise gift with every wig purchase from them, and also they do have a lot of discounts going on. So obviously I received my wig a little earlier, so they did add my surprise gift in there, and I was really shocked. They sent me an entire curling, I don't even know which entire box is in Chinese, so I don't know what exactly is the name of this product, but it's basically like one of those curling irons that you can use to like crimp your hair. So this was my surprise gift. And no, it's not just us influencers that's going to be receiving gifts like these. Every month, as long as you purchase their wigs within the entire month of July, you do get an extra gift. Do get a gift like that, if not very similar. And also they do have a lot of discounts going on for the entire month. I will leave everything listed in the description box for you guys. So far I'm really liking this wig. I love this color on me. If I do have any additional info for you guys, I will leave everything listed down below in the description box. So check the description box for any, you know, any little details that I probably missed out. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this wig on me. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, so you will not miss any of my uploads. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.